If you are the type of person who loves to customize the PC's graphical user interface, you should watch this video. In today's video, in fact, we are gonna customize the GNOME desktop environment in an Ubuntu machine. The first thing you need to install is gnome-tweaks. Gnome-tweaks is a powerful tool that lets you customize every aspect of the GNOME desktop environment. As you can see, it allows us to change the aspect of the different elements of the interface. Besides the default themes, you can install new ones. At gnome-look.org, you can find a large selection of themes, icons, and other aesthetic elements that help to personalize your GNOME experience. Let's try to download a new theme. One of my favorites is Nordic. You can download or install it directly. Once the download is complete, we have to extract themes files from the archive and copy them in a dedicated directory in our home folder. The required directory is .themes. Remember that the dot in front of the name means that it will be an hidden folder. In gnome-tweaks, we now see the just installed theme. Please notice that it is not possible to select the theme for the shell. This feature requires an additional extension which can be installed using the terminal or the browser. You can find it in extension.gnome.org. Now we can change the shell's theme. The next element we are gonna change is the icon set. Also in this case we can get different icon sets from gnome-look.org. My favorite icon set is Cora. Once the theme has been extracted, it must be copied to the reserver.icons folder present in our user's home. Now let's change the mouse cursor. Still, in gnome-look.org, we select one of the available cursor themes and copy it to the .icons directory. Another thing I like to change on machines where multiple operating systems coexist is the grub loader. To do this, it will be enough to edit the configuration file, but to simplify things, you can add the following repository from which to download Grub Customizer, which, as you can guess, is a graphical tool used to set the various parameters of the grub loader, including the theme. The tool does nothing more than modify configuration files. Again, let's download a theme for the grub loader from gnome-look.org. We create the themes folder in boot grub and copy our theme files into it. We can check if the new theme has been saved in the configuration file etc default grub. Let's try to modify a couple of parameters directly from the file. We want to display the timer for selecting the operating system to load and enable it by setting a 10-second timeout. Remember that whenever the configuration file is modified, you have to run the update grub command. Now we'll start the system to see the new theme, and voila, all very easy. There are many other items that can be customized, so enjoy!